Hey guys, Tony Maritato here, licensed physical therapist, and in today's video I want to take a minute to talk about the clicking that you might notice with your new knee replacement. Now, clicking is a common symptom that some patients will discuss. It could be a little bit frustrating, but it's not typically associated with pain. If you find that your clicking is associated with pain, absolutely refer back to your surgeon and talk to them about what might be going on. It might be time for an image. But normal clicking with either walking or moving the leg from full extension to flexion or back, that is a really common situation. And what happens is when you think of the components that have been replaced with the knee replacement, there's the component that goes on the end of the femur. The femur is the thigh bone. There's the component that goes on the top of the tibia. The tibia is the shin bone. And then depending on what they do with the kneecap, sometimes they surface the bottom, the underside of the kneecap. And so when we think about how your knee is structured, if you imagine this knuckle as the knuckle of your knee, what's going on is there's a kneecap that floats right above the two implants, the two prosthetics that they've put in the knee. As you go to flex, that kneecap kind of comes down and touches the implants that are now in the knee replacement. And so when I'm walking and I'm swinging my leg from full extension to slightly flex, that kneecap is going to tap quite a bit. Usually what happens the first couple weeks after surgery, the knee is so tight and swollen, there isn't a lot of clicking because there's not a lot of range of motion going on. People tend to walk with a very stiff leg. As the swelling reduces, as the range of motion improves, we start to notice that clicking usually anywhere around the third week through the 6th to the 8th, even the 10th week sometimes, until the swelling is completely gone. And then once the swelling is completely gone, the joint is normalized, your body has started to kind of tighten up the knee joint in a stable way, not a restricted range of motion way. What we find is that the tendons, the ligaments holding everything together tend to reduce some of that clicking. Now, in a small subset of patients, the clicking will never go away, but truthfully what happens, or at least what I've been told, is that they become so used to it, they don't even notice it. But clicking in a new knee replacement is generally considered a normal part of the recovery process unless it's associated with pain. If you find pain with the clicking, absolutely get back to talk to your surgeon, get further medical investigation, because there could be something going on that needs to be addressed sooner rather than later. If you guys have questions, feel free to post them in the comments below. If you're not a member of the Facebook group, come check us out. It's the Total Knee Replacement Support Group for Kind People. It's a free, closed Facebook group. And if you want to see the next video that YouTube's recommending you watch, go ahead and click on this thumbnail right here. I'll catch you guys on the next video.